In this chapter, we will talk about how to handle collision in our game. There are two scenarios. First one, game player collides with game item object. Second one, what should we do if game player moves out of game stage boundaries? Open game.ts file under Modules folder. Create a new method named collide with item for game class, passing two number variables as parameters. One is player position x coordinates, and another one is player position y coordinate. If game player collides with game item objects, they overlap each other. The x and y coordinate must be the same value. Here to write a conditional statement to check if their x and y coordinates equals. If their values are the same, console log outputs a testing message. Call this new function inside the keydown handler function. Also, console log outputs game player coordinates and game item coordinates as testing reference. Test in browser window. Move game player objects with arrow key. When game player collides with game item objects, in console log, we can see the coordinate values are same, and a testing message is printed out. What will it happen when game player collides with game item object? Game item object will update its position randomly. Game score will increase by 1, and game level will increase by 1 after each 5 scores. Let's implement those functions, calling this.game item update position function, then calling this.game status .increase score function. Check in browser window, we can see each time game player collides with game item object, game score will increase by 1, and game level will increase by 1 after each 5 scores. Next lesson, we will discuss how to implement the logic for collision between game player objects and game stage boundaries.